Yay for this rainbow cloud surprise inside cake decorating video. Yay! Hello you, it's me, Rox the Rockstar Bakes. There's a surprise inside this rainbow cake, and it's clouds. In 3 5-inch round cake pans, I place a little blue cake batter and spread it around. This blue batter is also white cake mix. In total, this cake takes 2 boxes of cake mix. For the cloud surprise, I make a quarter sheet cake using white cake mix batter. It's pretty important that you take it out as soon as it's baked so it doesn't brown. To make it easier to cut out the clouds, I froze them. From this, I was able to make about 48 clouds. This cookie cutter was for sure a conversation bubble, but it was the right size, so I just pick off the little point things in the side. It's kind of by feel, but some of the clouds will need to be cut into angles. The clouds won't expand more because they're already baked, but the sky batter will expand. Now add some batter to cover and top it off. Bang the pan to release the large trapped air bubbles. Can you see it? It's invisible. Bake this big boy at 335 degrees Fahrenheit for 23 to 26 minutes or until the toothpick comes out clean. Now that the cakes are cooled, stack, fill, crumb, and frost the cake with my Swiss meringue buttercream recipe. When I prep the cake frosting, I color some SMBC in Roy G. Biv. I like using the ice cream scooper so I can get accurate proportions. And the angled spatula helps me distribute it evenly. You don't see it here, but I press the cakes down between each layer because I don't want them sliding away when I decorate it later. Here's the beautiful frosted cake that I'm now going to rainbowfy. It should be a word. I use a striped cake scraper to slowly remove the frosting to make way for the rainbow-colored SMBC. The key to getting clean stripes is a cold cake and patience. This cake would be so pretty in a pastel rainbow version. Any colors will work. I slowly fill each line. I overfill it just a little, but the more accurately filled, the less frosting there is to remove with the scraper. Rainbow is my favorite color, so I had to make 2 cakes. took a second to decide which colors I wanted to use on each cake after making so many colors, so I'm super happy with the outcome. Remember to scrape the excess into a bowl so it doesn't get reincorporated into the cake. I can never have enough rainbow cakes. To make this cake just next level, I needed to top it with a cloud to match my shirt. I froze some funfetti cake to make them easier to cut and less crumbly. Hence, the tension when cutting. I filled the mold with some buttercream all up the sides. In hindsight, I wish I had tapped the buttercream before adding the cake. I sliced the pieces in different sizes because I wasn't sure which parts would fit the best at this point. They thawed by the time I placed them. I create a version of the cloud toppers with added Rainbow Jimmy sprinkles. I really wanted to add even more rainbow in color. I place these back in the fridge for half an hour before popping these out. Because they're cold, they don't squish. Here is the kawaii face my brother designed for me. I'm really, really, really excited about this cloud. Poke. These cute little faces are made out of fondant. Here's cake number 1. I placed a little frosting on the cake so the baby cloud cake toppers won't fly away in transport. And this cloud topper, I can't get over them. They're so happy. Here's cake number 2. These kawaii faces are so cute. It hurts. It's a rainbow birthday party cake. So sad to remove Jimmy from the cake now, but so excited to show you what's inside. All right, Jimmy, be back in a minute. Are you ready? Surprise! Clouds inside a cake. Whoa, MG. Look at those clouds inside. Rainbow cloud surprise inside cake decorating success. I hope you love this cake idea. Yeah, it totally matches my shirt. LOL. Just for fun, I wanted to show you what's inside the baby cloud cake. If this was helpful at all, hit that bell notification. Ba-ding! You know you want to. Ta-da! If you enjoyed this surprise inside cake idea, coming up is a playlist. Bye you. See you later.
I think I meant to say something else. So what did we name the cloud guy with sprinkles?
Jim.
And the other guy?
Jack. So natural. It's like so candid. You're like, huh? I'm just all the way back.